On my last video, I talked about the first generation Chevy Volt and some of the issues you might encounter with the vehicle. One of the main problems that keeps reoccurring and is very frequent is having the service high voltage system, warning that comes on your dash. Now, the way you fix that is you come to your high voltage battery coolant reservoir. Make sure it's topped off. If it is, then you can go to the next step, which is to pop out the sensor, which is this part number. You turn around, and it's connected to that silver wrapped cable right there. It runs to the bottom of the reservoir, as you guys can see, and that's the sensor right there. To pop the sensor out, what you have to do is you just get a hold of the sensor and push it towards the front of the car in that direction. Once it comes out, what I found out for mine was that the sensor it had a thin layer of dust on top and dirt. I wiped it off, cleared the code, and since then the code has not returned. You might find that this code comes at certain times, maybe when it gets very, very hot, which is frequent, or maybe when it rains or other things happen. But generally, you want to make sure the top of the sensor is clean. So if you don't have a sensor on hand, clear the code, pull out the sensor, and clean the top of the sensor. Make sure it's clean. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.